In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a list with a different number in Microsoft Word. This is perfect when you're continuing a section from another document, picking up after a skipped page, or matching numbering to a standard. We'll keep it simple and precise, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make any numbered list start at the number you need. First, open your document and locate the numbered list you want to adjust. Move your mouse directly over the number of the specific list item you want to change. Double-click right on that number itself. This targets the numbering control rather than the text, which helps Word understand that you want to modify how the list is numbered, not the content of the line. If nothing seems to happen, don't worry. Your cursor is now anchored to the list's numbering. Next, right-click on that same number. Be sure you're clicking the number character, not the sentence beside it. Right-clicking the number opens a context menu tailored for list formatting. This is where Word puts the controls that affect numbering, indentation, and list levels, so you won't have to dig through the ribbon for this particular task. From the menu that appears, click Set Numbering Value. This command tells Word you want to change the value of the selected list item. It opens a small dialog box with options specific to list numbering, keeping your text and paragraph formatting intact while you adjust only the number. Now, set a starting number. In the dialog, look for the field that lets you specify the exact value you want. Type the number you need, for example, 5 if you want the list to begin at 5, and confirm your choice. Word will instantly update the selected item to that number and continue the sequence from there. If you applied this to the first item in the list, the entire list will now follow the new sequence automatically. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If the number doesn't change, make sure you clicked the number itself before right-clicking. To adjust a multi-level list, repeat the same process at the specific level you want to change. If you only want a single item to have a unique value, apply the change on that item. The following items will renumber sequentially from there. And if you change your mind, you can always press undo to revert. That's all it takes. Double-click, right-click, choose Set Numbering Value, and set the starting number you want. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.